Hey guys, Jake with DashSkin. Today we're actually just going to talk about a few DashSkin models that we do carry. This one that we're going to start out with is going to be 0714GM. This one actually is going to fit a 2007 to 2014 model GMC or Chevy vehicle. This one we actually carry in a factory black color, as you can see this top one. This one here below is going to be a brown / tan cashmere color. Dark titanium gray, which is going to be kind of a medium-ish gray color. And then below is the only one, the darkest one we carry, which is going to be cocoa. And that one you're only going to be able to find with a speaker. And the speaker, as you can see, has perforated holes just like on this one here. Now we'll go ahead and jump over to our next model. This next model is going to be a 0713GMT as in Tango. This one's going to fit a 2007 to 2013 model Chevy or GMC pickup truck with the double glove box only. Now going to the colors, very similar to the previous one. We have the black up top, then we have the medium gray, which is going to be dark titanium below, and then cashmere below that one as well. Hey, you guys looking to save some money today? Go check out DashSkin.com. Stop buying from Amazon.